Hello and welcome to my what I bought versus what I got Givenchy edition. So let's unpack this beautiful box that I got from Givenchy with my last order. I only actually bought one product, but because I joined the Beauty Society loyalty program, I got some welcome free gifts along with the usual free samples that you get with every order, and it all came packed in this beautiful box that's ready to be gifted straight away with all the branding and beautiful branded tissue paper and ribbon, and everything is just stunning. So this is a little bit like Christmas, but let's have a look what's inside. So here we have a little card with details about the Beauty Society. You can read about it, scan it. Next, this comes in a dust bag that's branded. Lovely. Let's see if I can find what I actually bought this time. And here it is. That's what I actually bought. It's a lipstick, Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk in number 210 Rose Brazy. I thought it was quite nice color that would suit most of people. Oh, this is lovely. Like leather-like case with logo. With Givenchy logo there. Feels really nice and heavy. Like a proper luxurious product. And there's also a logo here on the top. Very nice brand name on the case. And let's have a look at the color. See if I can show you. This is quite... It's red, but it's sort of like a muted red. A little bit of pink in it. I think it's really lovely. I wanted to get it for myself, but then I thought I might as well give it as a present because the packaging is just so beautiful. I think it's gonna make a lovely gift for someone I know. So this is what I got, and I paid £22.20 for it on 40% off discount. For one reason or another, I don't remember why I got it. Original price £37 for this one. And now let's have a look what else we got. You can always choose 2 samples when buying from Givenchy, so I chose those 2 men fragrances. I picked Gentleman Society Ambre and New Interdit Absolu, and these both will be gifts for my husband. Now, on to the next thing we got for free is this lovely pink makeup bag, which has a little logo on the zipper. There's a logo at the front. Seems quite roomy, although it's small. The fabric is sort of like a twill in a lovely shade of pink. What else have we got there? It's irresistible. Body Milk. So this is the signature fragrance now for women. And I got the Body Milk. It's a very feminine fragrance, very like floral. Yeah, floral feminine, I would say. And this one comes boxed and 50 mils. So I got all of that by only buying a lipstick that was £20.20 at 40% off, and by joining the Beauty Society loyalty program at Givenchy. The free gifts will change as you move up the ranks in the program. So basically, the more you buy, the better gifts you get. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and if you want to see more, comment, like and subscribe. I will appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Bye!